She be hard worker, she be strong woman. Independent girl, oh, she no dey take nonsense. IMADE, oh, IMADE, oh, IMADE, oh. IMADE, she no go ever fall. She no go ever follow. IMADE, oh, IMADE, oh, IMADE, oh. IMADE, she no go ever fall.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Yes.
Yes, please.
Okay. How much?
20,000.
We can add the charges.
Yes, please. I would like to do a little bit of giveaway.
Giveaway?
Yes.
Ah.
Yes, please.
Okay. Raphael! Oh, what you do? Sir.
Please, I'd like you to help me share it.
All of them?
Yeah, everything. Thanks.
Hey. Okay. Don't go, sir.
All right. Thank you very much.
Yeah.
Yep. I'll see you around, eh?
Okay, sir. Thank you. God bless you. God bless you, sir. Abu. I can't even give Abu the money. Abu. Oga. Say me will share money. Take. This and buy fura. Yes, sir. Ah, come now. Saidi. Oga.
Hello, good afternoon.
Good afternoon. You don't come again?
Yes, I have. Good afternoon. How are you?
I did fine, no.
Alright.
Hey, that day when you give me money share for people, you don't even wait to see people where they share and for.
Actually, I had an urgent meeting to attend to, and a few really important things, you know.
Okay.
But that's not the reason why I'm here. I came here to give you your own reward because I told you to do something for me and you did it, so I came to repay you back. Give you your own share.
My share? I don't need my share, sir. No, I don't need that.
No, come on, you did something for me. I really appreciate what you did, you know.
I know they collect money from stranger. They know me for this place. I know they collect money from stranger.
Okay, can I buy you dinner at least?
Dinner?
Lunch, sorry, can I buy you lunch, dinner, anyone?
Oga, I know they buy food for outside. I dey cook my own food. In fact, I carry food come. This man wey dey give me big chicken yesterday, so I cook better jollof rice. Like say na my body before I come.
IMADE, she no go ever fall. She no go ever follow. IMADE, oh, IMADE, oh, IMADE, oh. IMADE, she no go ever.
Oga, see am. Take it. You go like am.
But
Oga, collect it.
I can actually take you out, you know, buy you a decent meal.
No. No worry. If you chop this one, you say if you could feel. Everybody for here, they chop my food. Taste out. You go like am, oh. Hey.
Okay,
Hey, Oga. Spoon there inside, the plastic spoon there inside. No say na wetin we dey use. Go like am. How far? You like am? Yeah. Now me now.
Wow.
Now me dey cook am.
If you don't mind, I want to ask you a favor. Would you mind coming to prepare food for me in my house?
Hey, Oga don't test my food, oh. You know they call me cook. I know they cook for people, Oga.
Please. I will pay for your time, whatever it is, whatever. Just let me know your price, all right? I just need to have more of this in the house, please.
No.
If you're not so busy, you know, I'll pay for your time, okay? I promise.
Okay, no problem.
All right.
How we go do am? I'll come meet you, Abi.
To wait for you to finish up whatever it is you're doing, pack up. Just, I can wait, I can pick you up. Don't worry.
I know.
Take your time.
My girl don't go find man, no problem. Okay, follow you.
Okay.
You know if you carry me go.
Nah,
everybody for here, no.
Nah.
I dey come, sir.
Okay.
Abu, I dey come, oh. Help me look the plate number well, oh. If you don't see me tomorrow, maybe you know who to report to. Police station.
Nah, I'm not gonna hurt you.
No, I
Okay?
trust them.
But I
I
can't
trust
hurt
them.
you. You know, just.
They know they write out for face, so sir.
True.
Okay.
All right. So shall we?
Yeah, we shall.
All right. Good morning. Good morning.
Sir.
How are you and hope you slept well?
Sir. Well, sir.
Okay. I'm sure you didn't get my name, did you?
No, sir. I don't get your name. I'm tired. Okay, why you this well now? I never do this thing before.
Do what exactly?
This thing now. Why I go day with man the first time I go in house? I never do one before.
Hmm.
Yeah, it's fine.
Anyways, my name is Jeffrey. Jeffrey Hart, but you can call me Jeff. And what is your name?
My name na IMADE Osapolo.
Hmm.
Or if you call me IMADE.
Okay, that's nice. So, I want to appreciate you for yesterday. You fed me really well, and most especially the icing on the cake.
Okay. I know to shout.
Well, the louder the better.
I to shout too. No one shouts like that.
That's okay. It's all right.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. So I have to go prepare for work. Yeah, before I run late. So you can have this for your time, all right?
Okay, wait me this one now. You don't call me a shower be that, oh. You just label me a shower be that.
No. I'm not giving you this money because you're a prostitute. No.
Okay.
I'm giving you because you were quite helpful and for a job well done yesterday.
Which job I do now? Say me and you quick on be job where I do. Okay. Carry this your money come off for my face. Okay, carry this your dirty money come off for my face. Oga, carry your money come off for my face. You short come out, I want to go. Oga, come out, I naked now. You want to see my body 2 times. I suppose you're going to be
Hey, please wait a minute, okay, Pink? I'm so sorry for how I made you feel this morning, okay? It wasn't my intention to hurt you, okay? Please, I'm sorry. Please.
I no vex again. I don't forgive you since morning. I be just want me you suffer small.
And I hope my suffering pleases you.
No problem.
So why are you closing this early and where are you off to?
My agents just called me and say they help me find house. Say I can check one house.
Oh, you're doing house hunting?
Yeah, they find house.
Oh,
Yes.
wow. Oh, if that's the case, I could drop you off, if you don't mind. Please?
Okay.
Alright,
Okay.
let's go. Should I help you something?
No, no worry. I'll make I come out
To
this
help
my
you with the
banner.
stone,
They
if you
fit tip
want.
this thing. No worry. No make them sit down.
Alright.
Where Abu? Make I keep this chair for where Abu dey. Oh, this one for me. Yeah, I will keep this one for Abu side.
Okay, okay.
Abu? Let me hold this chair. I will collect her in the morning, yeah? Efosa. I don't know when you say they come back. The house where this agent go show me. I don't like him, no good. And only me no fit dey waka this waka by myself now. Our rent are finished now, you just come lie down for bed. When you they come back? Child, do me they come back. The matter don't tire me. Do me they come back. Let's be all this one. Make I call you back.
I have 2 vacant rooms in this house. Why are you looking for an apartment?
I know. I know if we stay with you. What if we fight? Where I want wrong go?
Oh, come on, why would you be thinking about a futuristic problem before it happens? Come on. This is the beginning of a new relationship. Come on.
Fine, Bobo. I'll be your girlfriend.
I thought I made my intentions clear.
You mean
Of course.
I don't believe you. If it be say you just want to pray me, make just the lolo me. I don't believe it till they talk.
But first of all, what is the meaning of Opwe? And secondly, I'm not a child anymore. I know what I want. I know the kind of woman I want to spend the rest of my life with. And it's just you. It's gotta be you. Okay? I really love you and I would like you to come and, you know, live in with me, please.
If not live with you,
Mhm.
I no go feel live with you. Because I know say you no get how people go the way they no go quarrel. I go find house. But
While we're still working on that, we could move in. All right, don't search for a house for you.
okay.
All right.
She be hard worker, she be strong woman. Independent girl, oh, she know they take nonsense. Imade oh, Imade oh, Imade oh.
Where you dey now, Ifosa? As a comb. Ha! Oh.
Oh boy! Ah! This house bam! Hey, sister, as I first enter that your first sitting room, I know say na rich man as I enter. See everywhere. Ah! No wonder. You know what come they stay for that house where me and you got our rent. Oh! Afa, I think come they stay here.
Who done? You want stay where? You dey craze. Do you carry your dirty body come out for your job? You want stay where?
Sister, talk true. This guy won't marry you.
Now wetin dey talk oh. But you know say they no dey trust rich man finish. I no even just know wetin to believe.
Make him make an official now.
From which hour to which day? Why you dey hurry now?
Hurry, oh! May you rush.
Ah.
Sister, you see this kind guy?
This girl.
Weight tall, pocket full, con hands join. Hey! Too fast. Make you tie this gun down before another girl go steal am.
As you see me now, because I no fine. You know say me sef I be the prize. Your sister no fine.
Sorry.
Efosa.
Hey, dey.
Ijo.
Sister, calm down. Calm down. Yeah? See this guy, How you go help us break that generational curse? This guy get money. In family sef get. Hey!
I be wetin dey worry? Stop. I no like this way you dey do oh. I no dey follow this bobo because him pocket's full. No give me bad name oh.
Sister, no worry. Hey, you no dey with am because say you get money. Me, Efosa, sorry. We, your family members, go dey with am because say him pocket full. We go help you dey dig that gold. You just stay here, do like this. Hey. See as. If you don't say.
She no go ever follow. Imade oh, Imade oh, Imade oh. Imade, she no go ever fall.
Hello, Onome. Hello, no. You dey hear me? Where they walk you now? I dey call you, no dey pick call. That one concern you. You don't see they don't update this thing. Wetin dem dey call our charges? Update my charges for me, oh. I no wan hear story, oh. Mike Unko, you don't give me my money for yesterday and today. You say? Where's my column? Let's see my police station again for the second time. Hello, Mike. Where my money? You know something like this first start that day why I carry you go police station. You don't like to see me again, no. I go run enter you, oh. I carry new bike give you, they do anyhow. You know how many people there outside where they find them? Today you tell me say story day. Now new parts I give you now you dey craze. What's that? Before I close, open my eyes. You see my money for yesterday and my money for today. Carry and go give on away for my shop. If not, now police station I go enter am. You dey hear me so? You want craze? I hope you add craze. Join am. So we dey worry this one. Carry person see person finish. Onome.
My fine Bobo.
Yeah?
I want to ask you, when you want carry me go see your parents?
Pardon?
It won't be pardon. When you want carry me go see your mama, your papa, your brother, sister, all those your family members?
Soon. Okay? Very, very soon, my darling. Okay? But, babe, I've been meaning to ask you this question. What do you think about going back to school?
School?
Yeah.
But school not in my future for now. Oh. I want do business with plenty. Make it just the boom, they go.
You mean your POS withdrawal business?
Maybe only that one. Oh. Transportation, they one side. I mean, they plan to enter farming. You know, so all of them go the house building, say I go so enter. I'm on a business. Yeah, so you know they too much.
You know one thing I love you for?
Let's be that.
You are very, very business-minded. And you have a very strong entrepreneurial spirit. I love that about you. But you know, in this time and age, it's imperative you go to school because you can harness the most of whatever it is you're doing when you go to school.
You don't start this your English again. Abi, now why you no want carry me go see your parents with this? Shame they catch you for me.
I'm not ashamed of you. Nah. If education was a thing, there won't be an us.
So we say they try talk now and say me and you know they're the same level.
No, that's not what I mean. I will never and cannot be ashamed of you. Okay? And for me, you getting an education before even my parents is the least of my worries. All right? However, it's really important you get an education for the benefits of the kids that we will be raising together. It's really important. Okay? Yeah.
I like this one where you just talk now. Our children. But I want to ask you another thing.
Yeah?
This your parents. You sure say they go like me?
You want me to be very honest with you?
Yes, so.
They will not. But one thing I know is that they will respect you and they will be polite to you.
That one not dey okay because as my bobo, you suppose even they concerned. You know they worried say they no go like me.
You see, babe, my parents, siblings, and everyone in my family are the least of my worries now. The most important thing now is that I love you. And you are the woman I want to spend the rest of my life with. That's the most important thing in my head right now. Okay?
You say you will change tomorrow.
I got you, babe.
Hey, my fine Bobo, I dey go out this weekend though.
Oh, come on now. Why? I thought this was home.
This na home, but I still get house where I dey pay rent for now. In fact, na first born day o. He dey come and I don near ground already. I need do a small thing. Abeg. I go cook for you before I go, so hunger no go catch you.
I'm missing you already, you know.
I may miss you pass. Fine, Bobo.
Ah, oh, sister, thank you. Ew, that was really sweet. I enjoyed myself.
I know. As if it not be your money you spend, you can enjoy yourself.
Anyway, happy birthday once again. As you don't celebrate this year, you could celebrate many, many, many more years.
Ise.
And I pray, say, as you tell me, say, you know, they do a shower walk, say, not true.
Now pray I dey probably you won't shade me.
You go talk amen, abi you no go talk.
Ise.
I pray, say, as you dey comot, make kidnappers or ritualists no carry you for this ashawo walk where you dey go do. He say, I'll tell you my own finish.
Eh. After that, our hot husband now.
You and who?
I just dey happy for you. That guy be like better guy.
Don't be say no be better guy. But you know, say then say, if something too good to be true, they get K-leg. Now why I don't really trust them?
My sister, I don't believe that. Enjoy yourself. You don't land rich guy. Enjoy and chop life.
You will never see life. Now you they talk like this. No problem.
Ah.
No wahala. Your time they come, yeah?
Make I ask you, how do your guy take be for bed?
You dey Chris? Where they walk you now? What's Zaga? He good.
No, you
They
know.
worry this one. No people just pretend if I shout for you small.
I tell you my own experiences now. Tell me.
He good. He like me person they shout. Okay. He like me person they shout like say he swallow speaker. He say na that shout now they turn am on. You don't hear that kind of thing before?
I swear now too they craze.
You self join for the craze so because I don't understand this one. What? Oh my sister, I beg. What you say you want make? Where you they go? Kotono abi where you say you they go? I don't say na shall work more good for you. Which day you say you they go?
I dey go in 3 days time.
You say you go do for day.
A business now.
Which business? Which market do they say? Which you want go do for day?
I dey go on a business trip. Thank you for the food though.
I was damn right that I heard someone coming. Hi, I'm Sonia. You are?
Jeff! Jeff! Oh, Jeff!
Oh.
Babe, listen, I am so sorry. It's not what you think I can
Fine boy, you no go want know wetin I dey thinking. Laho, clear come up from my way.
Just hear her out, please.
Jeff's right. It's not what you're thinking. I'm Sonia, Jeff's ex.
Yes, I was going to tell you about after taking a shower that she came visiting. Please.
I should have informed them some days ago before coming, but I thought it wasn't necessary because Jeff wouldn't say no to me. And I did not know you were in his life until now. See, my darling, I dumped Jeff a long time ago. If it wasn't good enough for me then, it's no difference now. No offense meant.
None taken.
I'm sorry, I didn't get your name the other time.
Her name is IMADE and she is my girlfriend. Okay?
Oh.
Yes.
IMADE. I'm not here to steal your man. I don't go back to my vomit. No offense meant.
No, still take it.
So, just relax. Since we're all good and on the same page, I was about cooking who's hungry.
Now come off my face. Now follow me, oh. I'll run and tell you, not baby me. I don't know what that nonsense you do for that place. No, not baby me.
Oh my goodness. I love drama.
Hey, my name is Kenya. I get it.
Osakolo pikin don't suffer. Shebi you know. Now me be Osakolo pikin. I don't suffer. Oh. Which kind of is this one now? You dey use me they wear clothes. Abi?
Oh, babe, I've told you this thing before, and I'm telling you for the uptenth time. I have nothing to do with this girl.
Hey, Salomwa.
She got a job somewhere around. She's house hunting, and when she gets her apartment, she leaves here. It's simple. That's all.
You dey hear wetin you dey talk? Your ex-girlfriend come house. You say make I sit down, fold hand, make I dey look. All of now we be say una dey talk quiet like this. Now the wicked pass. We when we dey shout, now we good pass. Why you go tell me that kind of thing? You dey hear? That one no concern me. Oh, this one wey you dey talk no concern me. I give that girl 2 weeks. Okay. Make I no shout. Make I talk the way you say they talk. I give her 2 weeks. You hear me? You know what? Fine, Baba. I give that girl 2 weeks. Make she come out for this house. If she no come out, I go come out. You dey hear me so?
Wait. So, babe, you're not going to fight for love? You're just going to get up, go, not fight for your man?
Ijeo. Osalobo, you fight for me. If you fight for me, you go give me your ex-girlfriend come house. What did they tell me? Fine, Baba. 2 weeks now, I give that girl. And in that 2 weeks, I don't want to see her for my kitchen. If I see her for my kitchen.
Babe, this is your house. You can tell her yourself.
You don't send me message with that, oh. Abi? If you hear say I break person head, or if you hear say person shouts, just know say I meet kill him. Where you?
Babe,
Don't mind them. I'm here now. I'm here to take my guy because he belongs to me. That push girl must think she has a claws around him. But with everything that happened today is clearly mine. I'm here now. I'm here to take what belongs to me, and I'm going to show her Pepe.
Sonia, be Sonny. I be waiting that they call you. Waiting they worry you.
I'm sure you know what I'm called.
I'm sure say you no collect home training from your mama we born you. If not, you go not say this thing where you do no good. Why you go drop her for ground?
My darling, I am not the enemy here. You should be having issues with Jeff. It's not my fault that he's still in love with me.
Hey, you be all way. Jeff don't tell me say he no get feelings for you. And I believe him.
Oh my goodness, how blessed are you? So what am I doing here? Oh, it can't be. Do you actually believe what happened yesterday was nothing? Oh my goodness.
No. This girl, you dey try my temperament. Jeff don't tell me say nothing happened between two of you yesterday. And again, I dey tell you say I believe him. So nothing when if you talk. No, now, not be my Jeff.
Oh my goodness. If truly you know Jeff as you claim right now, you should know he loves to take his morning bath. So tell me, what was he doing with a short and being shirtless by 4 p.m? One more clue. You know he loves to take his bath after sex. True or false? Let's IMADE.
Come on, your hand for my body, Joe.
Trust no man, okay? Keep cleaning.
My bobo.
Yes, darling.
Let's make I cook for you today.
One of my favorite meal.
Let's do that. Pepper soup.
Catfish pepper soup. Yeah, look up palm oil on the
I
side.
know, so you go like her, but if I don't see catfish buy, and I don't know if you go market. Meat inside fridge. I feel use that one having.
It's okay.
With yam and plantain. Better okodo. I'll come put scent leaf. Come put to Caesar to finish.
When I finish it, I'll start dancing.
My love.
Darling, I gotta go to work.
My bobo, no problem.
I'll see you when I get back. I'm gonna miss you.
So you
all
said.
the way.
Oh, look,
All
another
the
girl.
way. No, it's okay.
I beg.
It's you that I love. All right?
Mister, love you too.
Yeah, so I'll see you when I get back, okay?
I'll collect another one.
I'll see you soon, all right?
Okay. Yeah, they go before you
Take
leave.
care. All right. I'll see you when I get back, okay?
Not so fast. Good morning. I'm going somewhere and it's very close to your office. So I want to tag along. Excuse me.
Oh, I'll just stop around. Babe, sorry.
I love you.
Can I have your phone?
What do you need it for?
Can I have your phone? I just want to check something.
Hello? Hello, for you dey hear me? I'm on network, don't start it. Hello? How far? I know they alright. I know they fine. Gbege dey o. You believe say Jeff ex come house, come stay with us? Ha! Egbe wa wo meteme o. She just come begin dey give different excuse say enemy dey find house, he wan rent. I no just even know. Make she shift, she no shift. Make she comot, she no comot. As I dey talk to you now, she and Jeff don comot. Where dem go, I no even know. Efosa, when you dey come back? Because I don tire. You say wetin? Okay, no problem. No tey. But make I try call them now. Yeah? I won't call Jeff. Make I call Jeff now. Oh yeah, now. Later. Say that they play with me. Let's be all this one, we not they pick up. Let's be this one. Hey, these people want to see Chris. Eh? Hey, enough pick. Enough. Where they go? Oh God! Why go slack like this? Why go slack like this? Why go slack? She ain't supposed to even follow her. Why go slack like this?
Hey, baby. Oh, yeah, I tried to call you a few times. You weren't taking my calls.
Mister, I'm not trying to call you. You taking my calls?
Wait, but I didn't realize my phone was on silent, and I tried to call you immediately I got your call.
Because you don't love finish now. Because you don't oppose your ex finish. Now be waiting they happen inside car. Now why you not pick my calls?
What did you just say?
Which one be what did I just say? I go repeat myself. I say you just open your ex finish for inside motor. Now why you call ready say you want call me back? Because you know they ever miss my calls. Yes.
Have I given you any reason to doubt me? Like, after all we've been through, you don't trust me?
See me now. Osapolo pikin na mumu. You don't ever miss my calls. Even when you dey sleep. If I call you, you go pick. If you not pick my calls, you go send me message, but you go call me back immediately or almost immediately. Why can't be say na today or 4 days? With that high class and shower follow you come out, now you no go pick my call. Because now they pray. Up, down, left, right, center, everywhere now I use. You don't do finish now, you dey come back house. Not be so you do the other day. Now so you do the other day. I come back, I say you no wear shirts, you dey sweat, you wear knicker, you no wear boxers. Which day you begin the bath for afternoon? Tell me.
So, let me get this straight. After all my explanations to you, IMADE, you still think I'm sleeping with Sonia?
Today on self, I mark am for my register. Nothing wey you fit talk, I no fit believe you. All this small voice wey you dey use, now wetin dey burst my brain. And are you do bad pass? Are you do bad pass? Why you do bad now? Say good. Say good.
And in that case, you have the room to yourself.
Which one be I can have the room? I go enter you, oh. I go enter you, oh. Guy, I go enter. Where you dey go? Eh? Wetin happen?
He sleep here tonight.
He sleep for where which night? I beg for you to come on here. Nonsense. The Chris.
What are you doing? That is my room. You brought ghetto girl. Open this door.
Kidding you.
Are you there?
Go back to where you dey come from, husband snatcher. Thief.
So are you really kidding me right now? You're kicking me out of my room?
Which room? You carry room come? You want love my husband? Ozworwe.
But this guy is so daft and stupid. Open this door.
Take me for a moment, John. I'm going to knock your head.
You see what your stupid and ratchet behavior is causing? Do you think he's going to marry you with this ghetto behavior?
They play Oswo. This man, you don't marry me finish.
Oh, you're so delusional. I don't see a ring on it.
You see this hand? The ring they come.
Oh.
Don't worry.
Well, with the way he passionately fucked me in his car, I doubt you'll be getting the ring anytime soon, Bo.
You say waiting?
You heard me.
You say waiting? You like press?
I called once, I called twice, but still no response, yeah. I don't know why. I called thrice, I called for the fourth time, but still no response from you. I don't know why. Where have you been? Who are you with? I'm losing my mind, can't take it no more. Where have you been? Who are you with? What are you doing now? Where are you, baby? I miss you. I'm getting paranoid, paranoid, paranoid. I'm getting paranoid. Ooh, I'm getting the storm to pass me by. Where have you been? Who are you with? I'm losing my mind. Can't take it no more. Ooh, where have you been? Who are you with? What are you doing now? Where are you, baby? I miss you. I'm getting paranoid, paranoid, paranoid. I'm getting paranoid.
Efosa, I don't tire.
What do you mean?
You know they talk to me again. My bobo no dey even chop my food. Eh?
Why you go follow you talk? Eh? Why you go chop your food?
Ah,
No be you accuse am wrongly.
see, and this point where I did so, I don't even know whether I accuse them wrongly or not. But you know wetin? These two people why they talk about. If you see two of them, you go even confirm wetin I dey tell you. You go know say that they opoe, they lolo each other.
You catch them. Eh? So you see them with your two koro eye.
If not that one, I no go lie you. I no see them. But if
You
Osa,
no get case. Sis, you no get case. Eh? Fight for your man, oh. Anyways, me dey come house next week. No worry. That fight, I will come fight am for you.
which fight you wan come fight for me?
You no worry.
She be hard worker, she be strong woman. Independent girl, oh, she know they take nonsense. Imade oh, Imade oh, Imade oh. Imade, she no go ever fall. She no go ever follow. Imade oh, Imade oh, Imade oh. Imade, she no go ever fall.
Jane.
did we get here? I thought everything was so good. How did we get here? I'm losing my mind. But the more I try to calm my mind, the more it seems to be on my grind. I'm chasing shadows, I'm losing my way, waiting for the storm to pass me by. Where have you been? Who are you with? I'm losing my mind, can't take it no more. Ooh, where have you been? Who are you with? What are you doing now? Where are you, baby? I miss you. I'm getting paranoid, paranoid, paranoid. I'm getting paranoid, 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 yeah, paranoid. There were times when I couldn't fall in love. There were times when I didn't want no man. But then you came my way and made it all so beautiful. Now I can stand and boldly say that I'm in love.
There were times when I didn't want no girl.
Really?
There were times when I just wanna be by me.
Hey, lovebirds. God, I am so bored. So I brought the game for us to play. So, sorry to be a party pooper. Let's play a game. Yes, ma'am. Fine, mommy. Mommy, I'm just thinking I should let them be. For real, because the girl makes him so happy. And I don't think I can make him that happy.
Me and you. Toody-doo, 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 toody-doo. Now I can stand and boldly say that I found her.
You. I got you, baby. I got you for the rest of our lives. I love you, baby. Ooh, I got you for the rest of our lives.
Wow.
You know, go stop today, make me laugh. Oh.
Nah, come on.
Anyway,
Yeah.
fine, Bobo. I want to tell you, say I don't apply for admission for school, university.
Are you serious?
Yes.
But that's great news. Wow, I'm
Thank
so proud of you. Wow, so what course are you going for?
Okay, now business administration.
Oh,
Because I like business.
business-minded, business administration.
Yeah.
See, that's good.
They big, they expand.
Oh man, I'm so happy for you, my
Thank
dear.
you.
I'm
Fine,
so happy for
Bobo.
you.
Thank you. Listen, are you really try for my... What be that?
Sorry, let me take this call. Yeah, hello? What? What? How? All right, I'll join you shortly, okay?
What be that? What happened?
Sonia, she called me, said she sprained her ankle.
But she no die now. You be doctor. Which job is spraining your ankle?
Let me just go check it out, okay?
Fine, Bobo.
Fine, Bobo.
Oh, I'll be back in a jiffy, okay?
Okay.
All right.
Wait. I don't want to make that spit dry. Why you dey laugh?
I'll join you shortly, okay?
This girl, they try me. Until the day where I go break your neck for this house, at that time you go know. Problem.
Sonia, what's the problem?
I think I sprained my ankle.
You sprained your ankle? How?
I was trying to come out of the bedroom. Please, can you help me massage it?
Hey, Sonia.
Thank you. Excuse me.
Sorry, dear. Sorry.
Oh. Yes, that's right, yes.
You just take it easy. What's that sound for?
What?
Why are you making this funny sound?
Please just massage it now. But this time, harder. Yes. Yes, Jeff, harder. Oh, harder. Oh. Yes. Oh, God. What's in the apple here?
She sprained her ankle and I'm trying to massage it for her.
Oh.
Not for that, Bobo. And my area of specialty be this one.
Oh,
Bobo
okay.
shifts, no worry.
Oh, okay. No,
Come on for
please.
there.
What are you trying to do?
Bring the leg.
What? Don't touch me.
Maybe she's saying she's sprained ankle.
Yeah.
No worry. My mama na traditional healer. You hear? We specialize in bone.
Do you want to break
I dey come out, so husband snatcher. When you dey come out from my house, you see another the scope where you dey use. You talk say you no get where to stay, say you dey find house. Months don't pass now, you no gree go your house. You no get where to stay. My own not even take me 1 week and I don't see house. What's it be your problem now?
Ew. You think the house I'm looking for is like the shit hole that you are living? Top-notch houses that I'm looking for takes months. In fact, years before you look for it, you find it. So please, shush.
How I bet you are. You shushu. You don't know me, oh. Waiting I don't do you na small. If I hold you like this, if I hold you, why Zara? Make I go come back. I know say your evil plans now. Wait till you want manifest for this place. But you see that man, now me get him.
Whatever.
My bobo, now me get him. You see all your evil plan, now me go still spoil him. Now me go still spoil him. Stop shouting. No problem. I dey come back.
Ratchet behavior. So
I dey
ghetto.
I racket abi. I dey come back. I go show you rackets. Ma go make my money come back. Where Zaga?
Who are you?
See wahala o. Ashewo dey ask me say who I be. See, I no come here come dey follow the drag words. Just go upstairs, make you pack your pangolo. Come for this house now. ASAP.
Wait. So now, you think you can intimidate me or I will be scared of you because you're here with some bunch of miscreants and thugs? Oh, wait. IMADE asked you to do this. How clueless and delusional can you people be? Come and carry me out now, I'm not going.
Boys, Sean will run out for speed.
What do you want to do?
Sean!
It's okay.
What's it happen here now? What's it be all these ones when I do? What's it do her? What's it happen to her now?
Are you happy now, IMADE?
Sure, am I happy? I don't understand what you talk.
So are you trying to tell me that you don't know that your cousin, the one from the ghetto, came here and did this to her?
At first I come here.
Of course Efosa came here. She came here with a group of thugs and they did this to her.
What if something terrible happened to her?
Oh, I don't know now. Why they shout for my head now? You want to blame me saying I'm me do am? I don't do am now. I be not trust me again.
Trust? Did you just say trust? I don't trust a woman who sleeps with a man on their first date. I don't. Excuse me. Sonia, where is IMADE?
She left already. She moved out.
What do you mean by she moved out? And you didn't deem it fit to call me, tell me that she was leaving? Are you okay?
Sasa.
Are you serious?
Stop shouting on my head. My own
She's not taking my call.
So?
Are you happy now that she left? Are you satisfied?
Well, I can't say I'm happy she left. But I'm happy because she did. At least there'll be second chance for you and I.
You are being delusional. Yes. You see this whole idea in your head about me and you coming back together? It is never going to work. It is never going to work. What do you mean? What's the meaning of this nonsense? I gave you my apartment, you came in, and now you're doing all this to me. You're gonna hurt me in my house? Now listen to me. All that matters in my life now is IMADE. I love her and I want to spend the rest of my life with her. I need you to get that into your thick skull. Do you understand me? You came here to ruin my life and now, you're happy? You're happy now, right? You're happy? Nonsense. What am I even talking here?
Efosa. Efosa. Why you go carry people go that house, go Peter? Why you go do like that? Why?
I have to teach her a lesson now. Eh?
You see where your lesson don't land me? Efosa, you see where your lesson don't land me? I don't go back to square one. I don't go back to square one.
Sister Koyo, no vex. Eh?
Oh God, don't.
No vex now.
Please, she's not taking my call. Can you help me call her?
Eh, I'll go call her for you, no worry. Hello, madam. I got been there here since morning, oh. Eh? Ah. Okay, ma. Yes, ma. Yes, ma. Okay, ma. Okay, ma.
So what she said?
Any luck finding your girlfriend?
It's no luck so far. I went to her place, her stand. She's not there. I waited for her to show up, but she didn't. Every effort of mine to try to reach her has been... It's been crazy.
What about her house?
I completely forgot my way to her place.
You don't know the way to your girlfriend's house. That's shameful.
She's my fiance, not just my girlfriend, okay?
Have you proposed?
I bought a ring already.
Jeff, I miss the way you used to love me. Can I kiss you?
Hmm?
Yes, I know. I know you said you don't love me like you used to. You don't have any feelings for me again. But I just want to confirm myself. And if it's true, I promise to leave and never to come back.
You sure?
Yeah.
See, that's the door
Yeah,
right
I get the
there.
message. Your mom put me up to this.
What?
You heard me. You know, mom and I are very close. Everyone knows that. So, she asked me to come here and ruin your relationship.
How did my mom know?
You know, your mom always has a thing on you. When I got back into the country, I went to see her. Then she told me about IMADE and you people's relationship. And you know, how she always wanted me to be your wife because of our family, history, and background, and how we look good together as a couple.
So what you're saying is the house hunting, the job, everything is just a bunch of lies?
It's all a lie. And I'm sorry.
Where have you been? Who are you with? I'm losing my mind. Can't take it no more.
I won't vomit.
Where have you
Kuyo, na the pikin.
Who are you with?
Shebi you know say na abomination when person get pikin outside wedlock for our family.
What you dey talk? I tell you say I won't come out this belly. I know they come out am.
God forbid. I no tell you say make you come up belle. But do me they go your husband house.
They worry you now. Which husband? You see ring from my hand.
She you come dey look me another woman come steal your man.
You don't trust me now. You don't trust me.
You uncle, you trust him? I beg. Make una two no turn my godson to bastard o. That pikin go dey your belly, na my investment. I don't talk my own.
Where you see Godson? Now girl like the firstborn. May you hear so.
You don't know. Na bouncing baby boy, na him dey your belly so. Na boy pikin they always make their mama they throw up like that.
Who say? Midwife. I don't know say you don't learn nursing work. No cause that thing, I no go chop. I won't vomit, I beg.
Hi. I'm all packed and ready to leave. What's this?
It's the ring.
Can I see?
No.
Yes. Let me see, please. Oh, it's so beautiful.
No.
It is beautiful. Just like IMADE. That girl really fought for you. I've never loved anyone and fight so hard for them like that. Never. I respect her. I do. And congratulations in advance.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
You're welcome. So, good luck in finding her and wifing her. You deserve each other.
Thank you.
Oh, that's my Uber. I need to run.
All right, then you
Call
take
you. Bye.
Fosa. Why you say they carry me good safe, eh?
Sister, no worry now. This night, now your birthday now. No worry. That outing you go enjoy and
See, you don't understand. Just carry makeup artist, make come do this thing for my face. Whether I fine or no fine, I don't even just know.
Sister,
Eh?
You don't see yourself for mirror. You will find like 1,000 people. See my sister now.
How they shout now? Many but no say we dey
Leave that one. Just fine anyhow.
Now wow.
Hello? For where?
Wetin happen?
Ha! Wetin do Oga Chef?
Which day be that?
Your
Give me phone. Hello? Hello? Ha! Jeff! Wetin say you do, Jeff?
Chef.
Don't touch for me, don't touch for me. Oh, your phone now. What's with this?
IMADE, I'm very sorry. I'm so sorry, IMADE. I'm very sorry for ever doubting you. I'm also very sorry for making you fight a battle you know absolutely nothing about. I'm also very sorry for ever allowing Sonia into our home. I'm very sorry. I knew you were the woman of my dream from the very first time I set my eyes on you. And I know that I want to spend the rest of my life with you, IMADE. IMADE. Want to feel me, to tell you how much and what I feel about you. IMADE, Miss Apollo, will you complete me? Will you be my wife? Will you complete me? Would you be the mother of my children?
Yes, I would one of them. One of them. I would one of them.
She doesn't have to go. Why is it not fucking?
Love you, baby.
I too love you. I too love you. I too love you.
I'm more shocking, more shocking.
My fine bobo.
Why is it not fucking?
I do.
She's pregnant?
You and me and you. Now I can stand and boldly say that I found her. You. I got you.